Welcome to the video. In this video, we are going to predict how the year 2021 will be. We will see what kind of events will happen in the year 2021. First, we will look at the risks and then we will look at the opportunities. Please watch the entire video. Few months earlier, during the middle of 2020, we had the conjunction of Jupiter and Saturn in Capricorn sign. And that was the time when the COVID pandemic spread fast. Again, the same conjunction is happening in the beginning of the year. In my earlier video, I have explained how Jupiter and Saturn conjunction can cause worldwide problems. Especially in this particular conjunction, Jupiter is totally debilitated. This conjunction enables the pandemic to continue for few more months. As I have explained in my earlier video, the second wave is expected to continue till April. In the year of 2021, the months of January and February are expected to be the most riskiest months. That's because Sun also conjoins with Saturn and Jupiter. Just like Jupiter, Sun also gets afflicted. During this period, some political upheavals are expected to happen. And also some political and business leaders are expected to fall ill. The health of some leaders can even become serious during this period. In India, there can be some political unrest or some political rumors. In the month of May and June, we can expect the second wave of the pandemic to subside. The summer of 2021 is expected to be very intense. We can expect the temperatures to reach new highs. Actually, this heat wave will cause the reduction in the number of pandemic cases. Even though there might be a third wave in September and October, its impact will be very negligible. Now, I would like to add one good news. Before I share the good news, I would like to say something. If you want to know your own future, and if you want to learn how to predict your own birth chart, please go to the link below and see the 2-part video, Learn Vedic Astrology in One Day. If you want to know your future, and if you want to learn Vedic Astrology in an easy way, subscribe to our channel. You will find this channel very useful. Now the good news. The second half of 2021 will be a good one. The second half of 2021 will bring economic growth in all parts of the world. There will be some new technologies and new industries emerging in the world. And finally, there will be a large increase in employment. But remember one thing, this is a general prediction for the whole world. If you want to learn your own future individually, you have to look at your own dashas. You have to predict the dasha results in your horoscope based on your own planetary placements.